Cashing out of Coinbase Wallet, your crypto-to-cash journey. Ever raided your piggy bank as a kid, that satisfying feeling of transforming saved coins into crisp bills? Well, cryptocurrency might be digital, but cashing out your holdings in Coinbase Wallet can be just as rewarding. So, let's dive into how to turn your crypto into cold, hard cash. The crossroads, Coinbase versus Coinbase Wallet. Hold on a second. Before we jump in, a quick detour. Coinbase offers two main services, a regular Coinbase account and a separate Coinbase wallet. Think of your Coinbase account like your bank account. It's where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies easily. Coinbase Wallet, on the other hand, is more like your digital wallet. It stores your crypto securely and gives you more control over your holdings. Here's the key. If you want to cash out directly to your bank account, you'll need to transfer your crypto from your Coinbase wallet to your main Coinbase account first. Don't worry, this is a quick and easy process, and we'll cover it in a sec. Step 1. Transferring crypto from Coinbase Wallet to Coinbase. Alright, so you've got your crypto chilling in your Coinbase wallet, ready to be converted. Let's get it flowing. Open your Coinbase Wallet app and tap the Assets tab. Find the crypto you want to cash out and tap on it. You'll see a bunch of options, but the one we want is Send. Now, here's the important part. Under Destination, make sure you select your Coinbase account, not some random crypto address. Double-check that information. Sending crypto to the wrong place is like accidentally mailing a birthday card to your ex. Major bummer. Once you're confident, enter the amount you want to transfer and hit Continue. Coinbase might ask you to confirm your identity with a PIN or fingerprint scan. That's just security doing its job. Taking a break, understanding network fees. Alright, before we proceed, let's talk about network fees. Think of them like highway tolls. You gotta pay a small amount to use the blockchain network to transfer your crypto. These fees can fluctuate depending on how busy the network is, so keep that in mind when calculating your final cash out amount. Step 2. Selling your crypto on Coinbase. Now that your crypto is safely nestled in your Coinbase account, it's time for the main event, selling it for cash. Open your Coinbase app and head over to the Assets tab again. This time, find the crypto you just transferred and tap on it. You'll see a bunch of options, but this time we want Sell. Coinbase will ask you how much you want to sell. You can either enter a specific amount or choose to sell your entire balance. Next, choose where you want to send the money. This could be your linked bank account or even your PayPal account, depending on your region and preferences. Once you've reviewed everything, tap Sell to confirm the transaction. The final stretch, cashing out to your bank account. Here we are, the home stretch. The funds from your crypto sale will now be sitting in your local currency balance on Coinbase. Cashing out from here is super straightforward. From the Assets tab, tap on your local currency balance. It should be something like USD or Euro. Now, tap on the Cash Out tab. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and choose your linked bank account as the destination. Coinbase will show you a preview of the transaction, including any additional fees. Once you're happy with everything, confirm the withdrawal, and voila! The process is initiated, and the money will be deposited into your bank account within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. Security matters, a friendly reminder. Before we wrap things up, a quick security reminder. Cryptocurrency can be a target for hackers, so it's crucial to keep your account secure. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both your Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet apps.